I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Total War Rome 2. First, let's understand the campaign map, which is your strategic hub. Here, you will manage your provinces, ensuring public order remains high and resources are produced efficiently. You'll also recruit and move your armies and agents across the vast map, preparing for conquest or defense. Mastering this foundational layer is crucial for building a powerful and enduring empire throughout your campaign. Next, we'll focus on army movement and engaging in battles. You'll command your armies to march across the map, seizing new territories and defending your borders. When two armies meet, the game transitions to a real-time tactical battle. Here, you'll deploy your units, utilize various formations, and activate special abilities to outmaneuver and defeat your opponents, leading your legions to glorious triumph. Now let's explore diplomacy and technology, two vital aspects of empire management. You can engage with other factions, forming crucial alliances, negotiating trade agreements, or declaring war. Simultaneously, research new technologies to gain significant advantages. These advancements can unlock powerful military units, improve your economy, or enhance public order, providing a strategic edge over your rivals as your empire grows. Finally, let's discuss building your empire and achieving victory. Constructing buildings in your settlements is key to boosting your economy and maintaining public order. A robust economy is essential to fund your armies and agents. You can achieve victory through several paths, whether it's conquering a certain number of regions, spreading your culture, or accumulating immense wealth. Plan your strategy carefully to forge an empire that stands the test of time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.